Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove background from photo in CapCut. So, if you install CapCut as your as your regular video editor, you can completely remove your background like this. You can try to open your projects. Here you can remove the background by tap on your video. You can scroll the toolbar, slide the toolbar, try to search remove BG. This is remove background. If you use auto removal, this is the pro edition. You can join pro to enjoy this feature. Here, as you can see, the background is removed, but you have to join pro first to enjoy this feature. And also, this is the free one. You can use the customize cutout. You can brush manually, and also here you can use quick erase and quick brush, but this is the pro one. So the point is you can use this brush or remove your background manually, and also you can use chroma key if you want to. So this is how you can change your background. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so contact button below. See you in the next video.